We are living in an era where technology is advancing at an incredible pace, bringing forth innovative ideas and solutions that shape the future. Among these, the transportation industry is experiencing a surge of modern, intelligent, and impressive vehicles designed to transform the way we travel. Today, we invite you to explore unique, futuristic transportation projects, each a story of creativity and vision that pushes beyond current boundaries. From the Gyroscopic Transport with its intelligent elevating pillars to the underground traffic tunnels developed by the Boring Company, offering an entirely new layer of transportation beneath the streets. Beyond the ground, vehicles like Airbus Pop.Up and AeroMobil open up the potential for cutting-edge flying cars. Additionally, innovative designs such as the Renault Float and the luxurious Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 promise unprecedented experiences. Lastly, the bold Terrafugia TF-X envisions a future where flying cars become a reality. Let us embark on this journey to discover these technological dreams and imagine a future where vehicles are not just modes of transport, but symbols of innovation and human aspiration. Airbus Pop.Up. The quest for a reliable and modern flying car has been ongoing for decades. One of the newest ideas is the Pop.Up Next, developed through a partnership between Airbus, Audi, and Italdesign. This autonomous vehicle is based on a straightforward plan. Passengers will book a trip via an app. Pop.Up will then automatically propose the most efficient route based on the passenger's specific preferences configured in the app. The first option will be ground travel, but in case of congestion, Pop.Up will detach the passenger cabin from the ground module, and the flying module will transport passengers to their destination. The idea is to develop a modular passenger vehicle for both ground and air travel with three main components: a carbon fiber passenger cabin, an electric ground module, and a flying module using a rotor-based propulsion system. AeroMobil is a true flying car. Its designers have combined functionality with elegant aesthetics, resulting in a work of art. The vehicle can transition to flight mode in less than 3 minutes, reaching speeds of up to 360 km/h and covering distances of up to 750 km. In car mode, AeroMobil also achieves a top speed of 160 km/h. However, to operate this vehicle, users need a pilot's license in Europe, where it has been certified, and access to a runway. In the United States, AeroMobil is not yet authorized, but steps are underway to bring it to the market soon. Underground traffic tunnels. The Boring Company, owned by SpaceX founder, is currently developing a subway system for cars beneath the streets of Las Vegas. The basic concept is similar to a traditional subway network, but the tunnels are designed exclusively for electric cars instead of trains. The tunnel entrance is an elevator that takes cars from the normal road to the underground level. At this point, the car no longer needs to operate on its own, but is carried by an electric sled through the tunnel to the city or the next exit point, where it is lifted back to the regular road. Once operational, the road network will resemble a two-tiered structure. The sled remains connected to a power source and can travel at speeds of up to 200 km/h in the tunnel without consuming the car's battery or fuel. Gyroscopic Transport. This unique project, known as second-level transport, developed by Gyroscopic, revisits the idea of alternative mass transit systems, similar to the transit elevated bus, a giant bus that moves on the road like a mobile bridge. However, Gyroscopic has refined the concept by using telescopic struts instead of rigid supports. The roof of the platform is equipped with solar panels for continuous charging. Each of the 6 struts has its own motor and sensors to detect road conditions. These struts move on a specially designed steel rail integrated into the existing road surface. The company states that building the rail network is significantly cheaper than traditional concrete or asphalt surfaces. Whenever a car or other vehicle blocks the rail, the struts can independently lift or lower to bypass the obstacle, allowing the gyroscopic transport to avoid minor traffic jams or accidents and keep moving. Currently, this vehicle exists only as a digital prototype, but there are reports that Dear Inso is in discussions with Qatar to install a real-life version next year. Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100. With its shimmering silver-green finish and large fenders, the Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 looks like it belongs in the future. It is an impressive blend of modern technology and classic luxury. This vehicle is fully autonomous, entirely electric, and powered by two 250 kilowatt motors. It features no steering wheel, pedals, or mechanical links. The cabin is furnished with premium materials such as hand-woven wool carpets, real wood, and silk-upholstered seats. Another flying car, the TF-X, is described by Terrafugia as a flying car for everyone, although this might hold true if everyone had a pilot's license and could afford it. The TF-X uses a hybrid propulsion system for ground travel and two electric motors for flight. The vehicle can take off vertically without the need for a runway, reaching a maximum speed of 320 km/h and a flight range of 800 km. However, for now, the TF-X remains a concept and has not progressed far enough to be ready for market release. Renault Float was the winning design in the 2017 Car of the Future competition organized by Renault in collaboration with Central St. Martin's University. This pod-like vehicle resembles a floating bubble, with each bubble accommodating up to 2 passengers. Not only does it float, but Renault Float is also modular, meaning the pods can connect to one another via magnetic belts without needing to stop. Since the vehicle does not make direct contact with the road, travel is exceptionally smooth and comfortable.